What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Super Sonic. Let's begin today's lesson on the bottom center of our page and draw a small oval for the nose, starting from the very top, come down and back up. Let's add a small circle across the top for our highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now I want to layer the top of the muzzle in behind the nose, so we're going to start on the left, bend this out and then down, and then line it up on the right side. Let's step up to create a fold. We're going to go straight out, and then bend that up towards the cheeks. Let's round out the cheek. And we'll close off the bottom of the chin, coming down the middle, and we'll bend that back up towards the right side. Now I'm going to shift the mouth all the way over towards the right. So we're going to start on the end with a bracket, and then in the center of the bracket, curve the mouth going across and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the nose. We're going to split the brow with a straight line going up, and we'll draw the top edge of the left brow, stepping over, curve this out, and then up. Then do the same thing on the right, bend this up, and then out towards the edge of the brow. Let's draw the side of the eye tucked in behind the brow. So we're going to step in, bend this out, down, and then in on top of the cheeks. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a half oval. I'm going to come down, and bend that up. Do the exact same thing on the right. And I want to trace this along the inside with a small half oval, and it'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Let's go down to the bottom of the cheeks. We're going to add a fold, going out and then up across the side of the head. Let's enhance the brow, starting from the outside. Curve this up, in, and then down. Now just above the brow, we're going to add the outside of the ear. So we're going to start back on the left. Bend this out, and then up towards the tip. And then from the top, bend the ear, coming in, and then down. Let's trace the ears along the side. Going up towards a point, and then down. And they'll close off the bottom with a curve. Now with the face complete, let's draw the spikes going around. We're going to start at the very top of our page, right in the middle. Let's start with a point. I want to bend this out, and then down on top of the ear on the left. Also doing the same thing on the right. Now there's two sets of spikes on either side, so we're going to curl these up. Let's start with the top set. We're going to start right here, bend this out, and then up. Now let's draw on the outside. Starting back on the left, we're going to bend this out around the ear, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now let's layer the bottom set in behind. So we step up, bend this out, and then up. And then we'll go back to the left side, draw the bottom, coming down, round this out, and just tuck this in just underneath the cheeks. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Super Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.